What's up guys, today I'm going to work on 2015 Ford Skip. So I'm replacing the brake booster. So I don't know, first I'm going to take from here, but I did first, before I touch over here, inside the car there's 4 bolts, 30mm and 1 pin. The pin one will be harder. Let me show you what I'm talking inside there. So here she is, this pin's taken off. You're going to pry it. Buy something to pry, or screwdriver, or this one for the pin. So you're going to hold it, and then one hand will hold this one hand going to push this pin. Over here there's a clips down here, you're going to push it in. I was planning to do it by zip tie, hold it, but it didn't work. So inside here, the bolts. So there is 1, 2, 3, there is 4 of them over there. But this pin to take it off, I'm using mirror too, otherwise hard. So use like that. It's hard to record and do that. I can't record for you guys, it'll be harder. But use some small screwdriver. One of it's easy to push it. You can see the rest on the one of the side. I was planning to spin it, but going out. So what I'm going to going to finger it, find it where it is, and push it. I don't say it's easy, it depends. If you work too much on cars, maybe it'll be easier for you guys, but if you never work, it'll be hard. So now I'm replacing the engine, so much more easier. If you inside will be it's easy, it's not hard that much. Connect this one, unconnect it. Take this one, harness, and then I'm going to tear up these brakes. Mine's already tear apart, some of them. So yeah, mine doesn't have engine, so it's much more easier. If there's the engine, a little bit, I don't say hard, but it's not that much harder for sure. So enjoy the video. So 15 it is. So brake will come out this way. From this loose, so it's coming up and down. Maybe loose it first from here and then do it from there too. Okay, it will come out, so we'll catch it. So we're going to put OEM. It's easy, the engine's out. I don't know if it will be harder if the engine is in. Only the hardest part when you take that pin. The rest of it will be much more easier. Okay. Oh, come on more. So everything's loose. Now I can bring it out. Only the hose is going to hold you. I'm going to push it down a bit. Turn it, I guess. If the engine will be here, will be harder to figure out, I guess. Easier. Only the pipes down here, so only. Okay, almost there. So you need to move over here, the battery over here. There's a battery, so you remove the whole thing. Mine's already removed. So now you need to put the parts on the new one. Much more easier after it's cut off. Okay. Alrighty. I'm going to tear apart down here. 30mm, 2 bolts only. And I'm going to take the pipe too. Alrighty, we're going to replace this one. gasket. There's the oil, so I don't want to drain the whole thing. So I have to take this too. Let me see. Okay, so they give you new bolts too. The seal. So use those two. And there's a seal down here. Okay, so yeah, we need to take this one. So they give you seal on there. So we're good. Yeah, to use screwdriver. Look, there it is. Sure, she's going to put it there. Don't forget to replace the seal. There's your seal. Okay, let me take it here. I'll clean it, it's dirty. Whole three, it's not that much already, you see. Okay, this is here. We're gonna put it back. The same way I take it out, the same way I put it in. So mine doesn't have engine, so it's much more easier. It will be oil. It's almost there. Need to find the hole now. In. First I'm going to bolt it in from inside, otherwise here it's going to move up and down on me. I don't want that. And then I need to align it and put the pin in. So I'll say so easy if there is no engine. I don't know if there is engine, it will be hard or not. I'm not sure. Alright guys, I finished inside. When you put it back, always easy. So you put this pipe first. First put it by your hand. Don't damage the bolts. Sometimes damage. Need to find the right position. Still I'm not in. If there is engine, maybe it'll be harder to put it back now. If you find the right position, it'll be easier. Then put it in. Okay, we're good. Put this one. If it's not turning, move the pipe a little bit. When you put it, you find it the right place. Okay. If you want to remove this one, you could, but you do need to. Okay, all done. Only need 15 and 30 millimeter. And put this plug back. It's in, all done. So I'm going to blade it. That I'm not going to right now. I'm going to finish the engine part. That video is different. This video is a short video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and write your comment down below.